everyone, this is Midhat and I am here with a playback singer who sung more than 2,765 songs in more than 19 languages like Tamil, Marathi, Gujarati, Rajasthani, Bengali, Odisha and obviously Hindi. She have won 4 National Film Awards, 4 Kerala State Film Awards, 2 Tamil Nadu State Film Awards, 7 Filmfare and 10 Filmfare Awards South. Well, the record is limitless. Let's know more about the superwoman Shreya Ghoshal. What do you prefer, playback singing or concerts?
Actually, it's a difficult question, but if you are asking, so I prefer both because concert and playback singing are two different things. And I love
Sari Mohammad Zishan and welcome you on my show. Today we have with us a very special guest and who doesn't need any kind of introduction and who has so many awards, and he is the captain of Indian cricket team. He is the best batsman in the world. So please welcome the one and only Mr. Virat Kohli. Hello sir. So what's your biggest achievement in your life?
I have many achievements in my life, but the greatest achievement is a World Cup trophy in 2011.
Today, we are so lucky to have a very famous and dynamic sport personality, Saina Nehwal, with us. She is the first Indian #1 badminton player who has brought such honor to the country. In 2010, Nehwal was also awarded the Padma Shri, one of the highest civilian honor in 2010. So let's begin the interview. Put your hands together to welcome Saina Nehwal.
Saina, welcome to the show. Our listeners are so excited to hear you.
Hello everyone, thanks for inviting me to the show.
So let's start another question. How did you pick up badminton as your career?
Well, I had never thought I would be professional players, but once I got the opportunities to play for house and inter-school matches, I defeated all my opponents. Then the sport teacher encouraged me and I became what I am now. So honored, and I am so glad to take an interview with a famous celebrity, and he is great in acting as well as he is also a dancer. So can anyone guess who is it?
Tiger Shroff.
Yes, exactly. His name is the most famous person, the one and only Tiger Shroff. Give a big hand of applause. Hello sir, how are you?
I'm fine.
You make so many movies and all are unbelievable. But which is your favorite movie?
Okay. I made total 8 movies, but my favorite movie is Heropanti because it is my first movie, and in this movie there is everything like entertainment and action and all song also.
Yeah, Heropanti is my favorite film also.
Okay.
And in that film, one dialogue is my favorite. Can I
Yes.
speak it?
Sure, why not?
The dialogue is क्या करूँ यार किसी को आती नहीं और मेरी जाती नहीं.
Excellent.
Thank you sir.
I have someone special for interview. She is a great motivational speaker. She is an artist, singer and model. She has faced many difficulties in her past. She lost her mother and husband also. But still she is a great motivator. She is middle class family. She is one and only Muniba Mazari. Please clap for her. सोज लिखती हूँ मगर साज कहाँ से लाऊं, सोज लिखती हूँ मगर साज कहाँ से लाऊं, हाल दिल कहने का अंदाज कहाँ से लाऊं, अपने हर जज्बात को दरिया में डुबो दूँ लेकिन, अपने हर जज्बात को दरिया में डुबो दूँ लेकिन, तुमसे मिलती हुई आवाज़ कहाँ से लाऊं. Why you known as the Iron Lady of Pakistan?
After the horrible car accident, I received 3 major and 2 minor surgeries, where the doctor had to put a lot of metal in my backbone in my arm in order to fix me. That reason I got the title of Iron Lady of Pakistan.
Okay. What advice would you like to give our audience?
Yeah. My story revolves around hope and determination. There is no shortcut to success. The harder you work, the luckier you get. We all have been sent to this world for a purpose. But if you still don't know what purpose is it, then remember, without purpose, life is pointless. Life is extremely precious. We all have to be thankful for each and every day that we get. And chase your dream. Live, laugh, love and share. That's key to happiness.
Would you like to convey for a big community of parents and children?
We know in the time there is no awareness in sport field. My message to the children is that just try to recognize your strength, what is the strong point, and just try to work hard on it. And to the parents I would like to say, just try to pull your children from the computer and TV's game and send them outside so they will play outdoor games. Then only they will able to see a remarkable change in their every aspects of their lives.
As we have role model, lots of people, right? So we want to know who is your role model.
My father and my mother are my role model. I follow two things which they gave me. First one is life is an on incline. Either you go up or you come down. And second thing which they gave me, there are 100 things happen in your life, either good or bad. If there are good, enjoy it. It's your creation. And if there are bad, it's your creation. Learn from it.
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon to one and all. First, I would like to thank Saim sir for giving me this golden opportunity. I will not take much of your time, but I must say that I am very much impressed with the student performance, and because I have seen the dedication and that positive spark in all of these students, the way you perform is the best. And डेडिकेशन जो चीज़ होती है वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है. इफ़ यू वांट टू अचीव सक्सेस इन योर लाइफ देन आप लोगों को हार्ड वर्क करना चाहिए और डेडिकेशन इज़ मस्ट. सो विद द ग्रेस ऑफ ऑलमाइटी अल्लाह, यू ऑल हैव blessed and got this golden opportunity to learn and speak fluent English under the guidance of Saim sir and his team. Because at last I would like to share one line. इसमें because we live in the world where anyone has right to say anything about you, whatever they want. But one thing you all should keep in your mind is that you have the right to prove them wrong. So आज से खुद को प्रॉमिस करो कि आज जो मैंने जो गलती की है उस चीज़ को मैं सुधारूंगी और उस चीज़ को मैं वापस रिपीट होने नहीं दूंगी. बिकॉज आप लोगों को जो ये प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है इसको आप एक पॉजिटिव में लो और आगे बढ़ो. सर, आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू once again for giving me this opportunity and thank you so much everyone.
It's very difficult to choose those people who really perform too well, because you guys were amazing today. Everyone did their best, and those who are best among best, they will get the rewards today. Third prize goes to the pair who performed too well, and they were excellent in their presentation. They were amazing, they were confident, and they are one and only Shabina and Zoya. Clap for them. Second prize goes to Zoya and Zinat. Clap for them. अब हवा ही करेगी रोशनी का फैसला, जिस दिए में जान होगी वो दिया रह जाएगा. प्राइज गोज टू एनी गेसेस? फर्स्ट प्राइज गोज टू two girls and their names are Samreen and Atiya. Clap for them. The girl who performed the role of one very famous celebrity who is very popular in all over the India, who started her career from Saregama, and she is Momin Amina, best performer. Clap for her.